In a world where music streaming dominates, turntables bring a nostalgic charm and unparalleled audio quality to your vinyl collection. From Bluetooth and USB models to timeless purist designs, these turntables will make your records sound smoother, fuller, and cleaner. Whether you're digitizing your unique LP collection or immersing yourself in the pure joy of analog sound, these turntables will transform your music listening. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best turntables of 2024 that combine classic charm with modern tech. Let's dive into the vinyl revival. If you crave the rich sound of vinyl without sacrificing an ounce of audio detail, the Project Debut Carbon Evo is your go-to turntable. This model is a top contender in today's market, boasting a carbon fiber tone arm pre-mounted with a high-quality audiophile or Sumiko cartridge. With a new motor design, damped adjustable feet, and automatic speed change, the Debut Carbon Evo outperforms its predecessors in both performance and ergonomics. Simply put, it sounds fantastic. Regardless of your musical taste, the Debut Carbon Evo delivers a detailed and engaging listening experience. It excels at capturing the intricate details while presenting a cohesive and compelling soundstage. The turntable offers the warmth and weight vinyl enthusiasts love, maintaining a natural flow without becoming bogged down. Enhancements like a heavier steel platter with a thermoplastic ring reduce operational noise, while the convenient speed change switch at the plinth's base makes switching between 33.3 revolutions per minute and 45 revolutions per minute effortless. The included drive belts also allow for 78 revolutions per minute playback. The carbon fiber tone arm and audiophile 2M Red or Sumiko Rainier cartridge ensure superior performance. It's the most refined, upgraded, and enjoyable Project model to date. The Andover-1E is the essential all-in-one audio system, bringing the award-winning magic of the original Andover 1 to a broader audience. This system offers effortless, transparent music reproduction with the same classic styling and simplicity, now more affordable and compact, fitting perfectly wherever you desire great sound. The genius of Andover's IsoGroove technology tackles the problem of acoustic feedback, allowing the turntable and loudspeakers to coexist harmoniously. Achieving true stereo from a single, compact cabinet is no easy feat, but the Andover-1E system delivers with a pair of soft dome tweeters and 2 inverted dome woofers arranged in a 270-degree array. Inspired by mid-century design, a single, elegant dial controls all your selections, including bass, treble, listening mode, and source selection. The intuitive front panel display makes navigation a breeze, complemented by an RF remote control that doesn't require aiming. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or a casual listener, the Andover-1E turntable music system offers unparalleled sound quality and style, making it a perfect addition to any space. Meet the Rega Naya turntable, the ultimate culmination of years of meticulous development, taking inspiration from the renowned Naya testbed turntable. The Naya embodies cutting-edge features and groundbreaking technology, setting a new benchmark in vinyl playback. At the heart of this extraordinary turntable lies Rega's pioneering low-mass, high-rigidity plinth technology. The Naya's skeletal plinth is constructed with graphene-impregnated carbon fiber and a TanCast 8 foam core, creating an ultra-rigid structure. This rigidity is further enhanced by 2 ceramic aluminum oxide braces, the same material used for the redesigned, resonance-controlled ceramic platter. This platter boasts an improved flywheel effect and complex profile, ensuring your vinyl sounds smoother, fuller, and more detailed than ever before. With triple reference drive belts for enhanced stability and drive characteristics, the Rega Naya delivers a listening experience that captures the heart of music. This turntable isn't just about playing vinyl, it's about redefining how you experience your favorite records. Discover the pinnacle of craftsmanship with the Rega Naya, where innovation meets tradition in perfect harmony. Introducing the JBL-SpinnerBT, the turntable that bridges the past and future of vinyl listening. Designed for instant connectivity, this turntable pairs seamlessly with any Bluetooth speaker or headphones thanks to aptX HD encoding that guarantees no sonic compromise. Enjoy the rich, warm sound of your records without wires, as if they were connected directly. A testimony to the joy of music and vinyl, the SpinnerBT boasts vibrant design and high-quality components. Its aluminum tone arm ensures excellent tracking, preserving your records while delivering pristine sound. The wooden plinth not only enhances sound quality over plastic alternatives, but also promotes sustainability. Featuring a removable head shell, replacing or upgrading the cartridge is a breeze. The aluminum platter, driven by a belt and motor with an optical sensor, ensures your records play perfectly in time, whether at 33.3 revolutions per minute for albums or 45 revolutions per minute for EPs and singles. The Spinner BT comes ready to play straight from the box, with a pre-installed high-quality moving magnet cartridge. With both Bluetooth and analog outputs, including a built-in phono preamp, the JBL Spinner BT is a versatile addition to any hi-fi system or active speaker setup. Discover the Audio-Technica AT-LPW 50BT-RW, where timeless analog elegance meets cutting-edge wireless convenience. Wrapped in a stunning rosewood-finished veneer, this turntable isn't just a feast for the ears, but also for the eyes. The elegant veneer dampens low-frequency feedback, ensuring your sound remains crystal clear and uninterrupted. At the heart of the turntable lies the top-quality tone arm and the acclaimed AT-VM95E cartridge, delivering an immersive, rich analog audio experience. This manual record player caters to both purists and modern listeners with its dual listening modes, wired or Bluetooth. Enjoy the classic warmth of analog sound through a wired connection or embrace the convenience of wireless listening with Bluetooth technology. Audio-Technica's dedication to analog listening shines through in this turntable, which takes their wooden range to the next level. With over 60 years of expertise, they've crafted a record player that combines innovative audio technology with unrivaled sound quality. Whether you're pairing with wireless headphones or speakers, or connecting to your hi-fi system, the turntable offers flexibility without compromising on performance. Experience the perfect fusion of style, technology, and superior sound with the Audio-Technica. That's our roundup of the 5 best turntables of 2024. Which one caught your ear? Please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.